Welcome back. This is Dr. Jin Sung, where clinical excellence meets excellent results. Today we're going to talk about the best alternative to soy sauce for those people who have celiac disease and gluten sensitivity. A lot of people don't realize that soy sauce actually has wheat in it, and it can be detrimental to the health of those people who are sensitive to gluten. So let's get right into it. Best alternatives for celiac and gluten sensitive patients. So gluten is found in wheat, rye, barley, and other grains. And if you look at bread, pasta, baked goods, even beer, they all contain wheat. Gluten causes inflammatory response in the GI tract and other tissues, especially the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. What that means is that gluten not only impacts the GI tract, it impacts neurological tissue, causing brain fog, short-term memory issues, peripheral neuropathy. So gluten can be detrimental in many ways. So soy sauce actually has soy and wheat that's fermented. Okay? So when you use soy sauce for those very sensitive people, especially celiac patients and gluten-sensitive people, it can cause an inflammatory response. Now, there are gluten-free alternatives coming out. The soy sauce, they'll use rice and soy. Sometimes with problems that might arise with rice is that it cross-reacts, meaning rice protein looks very similar to gluten protein, therefore you can react to rice in itself. So they'll use rice and soy in the fermented version, and also there's cross-contamination. So these companies that make soy sauce will also make gluten-free alternatives, but produce it in the same facility that they make the regular soy sauce. So sometimes there's cross-contamination of products, and you can have small amounts or minute amounts of gluten in there. So what are the best alternatives? So recently I had a patient who, basically had a very difficult time not having gluten in her diet. So she also likes to go out and have sushi. What we recommend is something called coconut aminos, right? Coconut aminos. Coconut aminos. So coconut amino comes from fermented sap of coconut palm and sea salt. That's pretty much it. It tastes a little bit sweeter than regular soy sauce, but you don't really taste coconut in it, and it's a very good alternative to soy sauce. So if you're very sensitive, you want to go ahead and utilize that. Companies that make coconut aminos, Coconut Secret, Big Tree Farms, and Primal Kitchen. So they all make coconut aminos, and you can utilize it in sauteing your vegetables and in different sauces and so forth. It's a very safe way to do that. I'll go ahead and link some of the websites here so you can go ahead and try that. All right, so basically if you have gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, coconut aminos is probably your best options. All right, my name is Dr. Jin Sung, where clinical excellence meets excellent results, and we'll see you guys next week on the healthy side. Have an awesome day.